Binance is the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange by a long shot, so it shouldn't come as a surprise that they are also the creators of the second biggest smart contract platform, BNB Chain. In this video, we will go over the ins and the outs of BNB Chain and what it has to offer, starting with its dual chain system. BNB Chain is actually made up of two chains, the Beacon Chain and the Smart Chain. Because of cross-chain compatibility, tokens can easily be transferred between chains, but they are still each made for a specific purpose. The Beacon Chain is built for speed and instant finality, which makes it perfect for decentralized trading. Governance, staking, and voting all happen on the Beacon Chain, but the chain lacks extra programmability, which is why the Smart Chain is home to BNB Chain's smart contracts. The Smart Chain is EVM compatible, so Ethereum-based dApps can easily run on the network while enjoying much lower gas fees. Not only that, but the chain only has a 3-second block time compared to Ethereum's 10 to 15 seconds. Ethereum does win when it comes to decentralization, as it has thousands of validators, while BNB Chain only has 21. The 21 validators on BNB Chain use a model called Proof of Stake Authority. In a nutshell, holders of the BNB token can delegate their stake to one of the top 21 validators on the network. These validators are chosen by an election process and are refreshed every 24 hours. So what is the BNB token? It was launched in 2017, just days before Binance launched their exchange. BNB started out as an ERC20 token and was initially used for trading and paying for fees on Binance. But since then, it's become much more. As mentioned, it's used for governance and staking to secure BNB Chain, but it's also used to pay gas fees for transactions, just like ETH. Exodus supports the token and BNB Chain across all three of our wallets, including our Web3 wallet. The Exodus Web3 wallet is fairly new, so some app developers haven't added it as a wallet option yet. Once you download Exodus, just go to Settings and make sure Prioritize Exodus is enabled. Now, when you select another wallet in a Web3 app, Exodus will connect instead. Now that you know what the BNB Chain is and how it works, why should you care? Well, because it's got a huge ecosystem of DeFi apps, NFT projects, and more. You can find all the major stablecoins and popular DeFi protocols like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Aave. And even though BNB Chain is mainly known for its DeFi scene, it's also become a hub for NFTs because of its cheap fees. Most of the activity takes place on Binance's own NFT marketplace. For example, Cristiano Ronaldo partnered with Binance to launch his CR7 NFT collection on BNB Chain. If you're a sports fan, you might have also heard about Binance's fan token platform. These fan tokens give you special benefits for certain sport teams, like limited edition NFTs and voting on club decisions. These tokens all live on the BNB Chain. The BNB Chain claims to be a community-driven, open source and decentralized ecosystem. And while it's less decentralized than its main competitor Ethereum, only time will tell whether its community can truly make it the #1 smart contract platform out there.
I think that Bitcoin is the solution to 7.8 billion people's problems. They just don't know it yet.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We've got a lot more videos for you, so click any of these videos so you can keep watching. And don't forget to like if you liked it and sub if you dug it.